In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Cash App application like you normally would. And we need to go ahead and locate our account number and routing number. So please go ahead and go to this section right over here. And then you should see this option that says cash balance. And you just want to press on your balance right over here. Then it is going to give you both your routing number and your account number. We will need these two numbers in order to transfer money from Apple Pay over to Cash App. Okay, so what I recommend that you guys do is either copy these numbers, you can write it down, take a screenshot, etc. The point is you will need those numbers. And anyways, afterwards, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Apple Wallet like you normally would. All right, once you're over here at Apple Wallet, all you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you should see an option that says cash. It's going to have like an Apple logo and then cash. And you want to select on that right over here. And typically it is going to let you know your balance and stuff like that. So obviously you will need money in your balance in order to send money from Apple Pay to Cash App. Anyways, in order to actually send it to Cash App, go to the top right, select on these three dots, then select on transfer to bank right over here. You will need to go ahead and select how much money you want to go ahead and send. Then you will need to press on continue. So after you press on continue, then it is going to ask you for both the account number and the routing number. And that's where you put in the Cash App account number and routing number. Then from there, you're able to go ahead and transfer money over from Apple Pay to Cash App. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.